I've just discovered an amazing AI tool that can completely automate your explainer video creation process. You don't need to write scripts, record voiceovers, or even animate manually. This tool does everything for you. All you have to do is enter a simple prompt and it generates a full whiteboard style explainer video automatically. Here's the video I
Imagine a
created using
life
just a
that is
single prompt.
only a
Let's check
prelude.
it out.
A caterpillar isn't a young butterfly. A tadpole is not a baby frog. They are larvae, a completely different animal living a temporary, high-stakes existence. Their singular mission is to consume, fueling one of nature.
Now, let's see how this AI actually works. First of all, you have to go to your browser and search for Golpo AI. Once you enter the main website, you'll see this kind of interface. Here, you can convert your documents into whiteboard animation videos. It offers one of the best animation video experiences and is known as one of the best AI tools for creating professional videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started by clicking here. If you are new, you'll need to create an account, but since I've already created mine, I'll directly log in. Once we are on the main dashboard, you'll see this kind of interface where you can describe your prompt. Down below, you can also upload a file attachment such as a PDF, docx, or any kind of document to guide the AI. If you only want audio, Golpo AI can also create high-quality voiceovers for podcasts or voice-only media. Here, you can add specific instructions for the voice, such as accent, tone, or style. And just below that, you can also add your video instructions, describing what kind of video you want in your generated result. So let's get started by entering our prompt. Suppose you want to make a video on the life of a larva. Simply type your prompt here. Once we enter our prompt, we'll move to the settings section. We'll leave the document section empty since we don't have any specific file to upload. In the voice instruction area, you can add any details you want like accent, tone, or even a direction such as talk like a professor. But for now, we'll keep it empty. Next, you'll notice a few boxes below. By checking the first box, Golpo AI will allow you to preview and edit the script before generating the final video. The second box enables color in your animations, which makes your video more vibrant. Then you can select what kind of music you want in your background. I'll select engaging. For duration, we'll set it to 1 minute. For voice, we'll choose a male voice. For orientation, select horizontal, and for language, choose English. Under style, select classic. If you have a logo for your YouTube channel or brand, you can also upload it here and Golpo AI will automatically include it in your final video. Once all the settings are done, click on Generate Script to create your first draft. When the script is ready, you'll be able to review it. If you want to make any changes, you can easily edit the script right here. Once everything looks good, click on Create Video from Script and Golpo AI will begin generating your final video. It may take a little time to process, and once it's ready, you'll receive an email notification. So let's fast forward this part and jump straight to the generated result.
Imagine a life that is only a prelude. A caterpillar isn't a young butterfly. A tadpole is not a baby frog. They are larvae, a completely different animal living a temporary, high-stakes existence. Their singular mission is to consume, fueling one of nature's most radical transformations. But for many, it's also an epic journey. Planktonic larvae of crabs and sea urchins drift on ocean currents, traveling vast distances to colonize new habitats, sometimes settling on fresh volcanic vents on the deep seafloor. This fragile stage, however, is a gauntlet. They are hunted relentlessly, but the greater threats are often invisible. A slight rise in water temperature can halt development. Pollutants disrupt metamorphosis from the inside out, while rising ocean acidity can dissolve a young clam's shell before it even forms. Surviving this means facing the final, improbable act, a complete biological rewrite, a total internal liquidation and reconstruction. The success of this tiny, vulnerable traveler isn't just its own story. It's the silent engine of our planet's food.
Here's the final video that Golpo AI created for us. What do you think about the video quality, graphics, and audio clarity. If you want to download your video, simply click on the three dots in the bottom right corner and select Download. The video will be saved to your device instantly. Now, let's go back to the main editing dashboard. If you want to edit any section of your videos, go to the Edit Video option. Here, you can see all your previously generated videos. Let's open the one we just created, The Life of the Larva. Here, you will find all the clips that were used in the video. For example, this one has around 14 clips generated for a 1.3-minute video. If you want to edit any clip, simply click on it. You can play and preview the visuals for that clip. If you'd like to make any changes to the visuals or the voiceover, you can describe exactly what changes you want in this frame. For example, we'll write, "Show a caterpillar next to 3 butterflies." You can also add reference material if needed. Once you're done, click on Edit, and Golpo AI will start generating a new version of that frame. On the right side, you'll see the newly updated frame. In this case, it has added 3 butterflies as we described. To include this new frame in your main video, click Update, and it will replace the old clip with the new one. Finally, click Update Video from the top right corner to save all your edits. And just like that, you can edit any part of your video or modify any scene you want. So, this was our complete tutorial on Golpo AI, the tool that allows you to create professional explainer and animation videos using just a single prompt, or even from your own reference documents. If you want to check out this website, the link is available in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI video tutorials.